Hello all, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Java on a Windows operating system. So for that, first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Java JDK download. Just simply go to the official site of Java downloads. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you need to scroll down and will get this Java AC Development Kit 26 downloads. Here, depending upon what operating system you are using, Linux, Mac OS or Windows, you need to switch to that. For Windows, I am going to switch to Windows and I am going to select this x64 MSI installer. I am going to click on this link and that's going to immediately start downloading our Java. And there you go, you can see that it is directly downloaded. Just simply click on this installer. This is our Java installation wizard. You can minimize your browser and here just simply click on next. So this is where our Java is going to be installed, totally fine. Click on next. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes and our Java installation is rightly began. And there you go. You can see that our Java is also rightly installed. Just simply click on close. So now that our Java is rightly installed, it's time to set our Java path on our environment variable. So for that, go to our C drive and go to program files. Here you will get this Java folder created over here. Go inside that. You will get this JDK 26 folder, which is again created just now. Go inside that. You will get a bin folder. Again go inside. And now you need to select this path and to right click and to copy the C program files Java JDK-26/bin folder path. Now you need to go to search and type environ. That will give you edit the system environment variables. Open that and then click on environment variables. That will open environment variable window. Here you need to click on path and to click on edit. And now you need to click on new and right click and paste that Java 26 path over here. Now click on OK. So now that our Java path is rightly set, it's time to set our Java home path. So for that, click on new and just simply type over here Java_home. And now in variable value, just paste that exact same path over here. But this time remember to delete that bin folder path. We need to keep only till JDK 26 or whichever latest version that you are installing. So maybe when you are watching, it could be JDK 27, 28 and so on. So whichever latest version, you just need to put that same path. Okay, so that path will be same here as well. So after that, click on OK and click on OK again and OK. And now if you go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt, if you just simply type Java space -- version and just simply hit enter, that's going to give you this prompt. If you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed your Java. Now let's run quickly a Java program. So let's first create a new Java folder over here. So like Java practice, go inside that folder, then right click and create a new text document. And let's give the file name as HelloWorld. And then need to remove that .txt extension with .java. So click on outside and click on yes. Our file is rightly created. Remember to create this file name with H as a capital and W as capital. And now let's open this file on our notepad. And now let's quickly fast forward and write a simple HelloWorld Java program over here. So this is our program. So let's go to file and save our file. And now it's time to compile our program. So just click on this address bar and type cmd to open your command prompt right at this location. And now to compile this program, just simply type Java C and then name of your file, which is helloworld.java. Hit enter. So that's going to give you a .class file over here. See a .class file generated over here. So this is what we need to run. So to run that, just simply type Java, then name of your file, which is hello world. So hello world. Hit enter. And bingo. This is our output, hello world. So whatever you have written on your program, so that output is properly coming. So that's how I install latest version of Java. Please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow this full Python project playlist So all these videos are completely free, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscape.com website. So do check all these different videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.